Hello, I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. I hope you have a beautiful day. Today we're gonna make something very special. Come, join me in the kitchen. This dish is called duck yam soup, which it is available, but you don't actually really see it in the outside. Probably because it is a very traditional recipe. The old chefs, they kept it to themselves. And this is a dish where if you can do it, this is supposed to be a main dish on a dinner. This is the dish where you could actually impress your mom with. It's just one dish like this, she's gonna say, oh my god, my son can cook. Now here we go. First step, bring the water in the saucepan to boil. Put in the duck meat because it takes longer time to cook. To begin, on a dry pan, heat it up, put on the ginger. I just want it to burn a little bit. Now the ginger is really fragrant. You don't really have to brown it, it's really fragrant. You add in the garlic. This is like toasting. Just throw in the shiitakes, mushroom, the dates, and the onions. Once the ingredients are being panned and you can smell the fragrance, pour in the cooking oil and stir fry it a little bit. Now let's put in the magic ingredients. First the star anise and then the cinnamon stick. Now let's put in the water. We need a lot of water because this is going to be soup. Now let's put in all the chunks of yam. After I place the yam in, we need actually to cover it because we need to stew it for it to soften. So before we cover it, let's put in the oyster sauce. Sprinkle in some table salt. And then some grounded white pepper. Mix all the sauce together by stirring it, then we close the lid. Okay, I think the duck meat is already cooked. So we will switch off the burner and then we will transfer all the duck meat into the soup. Okay, now we are putting the duck into this yam soup and we are expecting the duck to absorb the flavor of the yam, right? Okay, just close the lid, simmer it for 10 minutes. See if it's ready. And if it's ready, as long as the yam is ready, the dish is done. Okay. Now how to test it? Just use a skewer like this, right? And put it in. If it's soft and it's ready to go in, the dish is cooked. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's stop the flame. Go. Alright, the soup is ready done. You can see it, the duck, the yam, the shiitakes, everything else, including the soup. Now I just gotta garnish it. These celery leaves, Chinese celery leaves, will bring the fragrance also as you add it in. And it's beautiful. Look at it. So anybody can do it, right? Alright, so let's have a taste. Let's see if the yam is soft enough in the soup. It's still hot. It's good. So, if you like my recipe, kindly give me a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel and do comment. Share your thoughts with me. Stay tuned for more recipes and see you soon.